Folks, Frank the Pest Geek here. There are a lot of the times where we just, no matter what we do, we can't fix it. Check this out. Hey folks, Frank the Pest Geek here. Hey, there are times where we just, no matter how hard we try, we can't fix a problem. And the problem is beyond our scope. You look at these Ixoras, they look really beautiful, right? We've been managing this landscape right here for 15 years. Same landscape. It's had some issues with irrigation and the owners don't live here. But then we get over to this area and look at these Ixoras, how horrible they look. And then it gets worse over here. And no matter what we've done to it, you know, we have not been able to ever fix this problem here. They've always looked like this. We've hit them with iron, fertilizer, more nitrogen, excess iron, because it's usually an iron problem. What we don't know is if this is a soil problem, if this has contractor's disease. We have no idea why they won't thrive. Look at the ones on this side. These just died back recently, and I think they got stressed out because of the irrigation problem that's here right now that isn't reaching the landscape. So there's no water here right now. I got to let them know. But these, look at these. They look really good, except for the ones on this corner. And there is a lot of the times, no matter what we do, we can't solve it. You know, 96% of the time, we get it. We get it right. We fix it. You know, something could happen. You know, our landscape is never perfect. There's always going to be problems. This is a living organism dealing with living organisms that are attacking it. And therefore, you know, you've got butterflies right now swarming. You know, this is why we spray with natural. We don't like neonicotinoid sprays on shrubs to protect the environment. I mean, look, you know, a little guy's flying around. We don't want to kill it for no reason. We don't want to kill bees. This is going through a little bit of stress right now. There has to be with the irrigation in this landscape. It was off for like 6 months. They had a broken line, and I told them for 6 months, and nobody fixed it. These are things that once the temperatures go up now, and we are in the end of May, and there is high temperatures, well, you got away with it in the winter, but you ain't getting away with it now when there's drought stress. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it has, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel below, and share it with your friends. This is Frank the Pest Geek wishing you a pestacular day.